Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Gcash account is verified and has enough balance. This prevents declines during setup. Once done, open iPhone settings, tap your name, then payment and shipping. Make sure your Apple ID region is Philippines so Gcash appears as an option. Tap Add Payment Method and look for Gcash or Mobile Wallet. Selecting it starts the payment link. Follow on-screen prompts to continue. This step tells Apple you want to use Gcash for App Store purchases. Next, you authenticate the connection. When Apple redirects to Gcash, accept the authorization request inside the Gcash app and verify with your PIN or biometrics. Make sure the billing name, phone number, and address in Apple match the ones on your Gcash profile so transactions clear smoothly. Also enable Face ID or Touch ID for App Store purchases to speed future buys. Finally, top up your Gcash balance if it's low. Transactions will fail if there isn't enough credit available when you try to buy. Finish by testing the setup. Try downloading a free app or make a small purchase to trigger the payment method and confirm it works. If the charge fails, first check your Gcash balance, ensure your phone number is verified with Gcash, and reconfirm your Apple ID region is Philippines. If problems persist, log out and back into both apps and reinstall Gcash. As a last resort, contact Gcash or Apple support with screenshots of error messages so they can trace and resolve the specific refusal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.